Hello, this is Roderick Hamblin in Technical Sales for Beat. I'm here today to discuss nozzle maintenance. Clogging or buildup can adversely affect nozzle performance, so it is important to monitor and regularly maintain or replace spray nozzles. Thoroughly cleaning the nozzle is the best way to ensure it's operating correctly. Soaking or washing with appropriate cleaning fluid is the best method to clean without damaging the nozzle. We also recommend using soft brushes or similar equipment to clean the nozzle. Do not use tools or implements that could damage the orifice or the internals of the nozzles, which could negatively affect the spray pattern and performance. Ultrasonic cleaning baths are another way to clean nozzles and can be especially helpful for small cavities and orifices where tools cannot reach. Some of our nozzle series have replaceable parts like seals and O-rings. For these assemblies, you can purchase rebuild kits to repair the nozzle and ensure optimum spray nozzle performance. You can contact Beat's Application Engineering Department with any questions regarding nozzle cleaning. Thank you.